Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another page kit. So this is from She Loves Color 2023. Yep, still finishing projects, trying to clean some stuff up. So we are going to need that and 3 photos. All of this here plus these. Okay. That is fun, fun, fun. And this is going to be a simple enough page. So this is a Bella. I went ahead and backed my cut vial. We're going to go ahead and bring our trimmer in. It's going to be cut in half. I knew I was going to do that. Okay. So I took a 6x6 and cut that in half to have 2 triangles. So this is not my design. This is the design that Stephanie taught in one of her classes, and I am just going to finish it up. So we've got that on there. We're doing them in 2 adjacent corners. Okay. Then we have scraps. Come on. Scraps over here that I would like. Let's try and back, right? So we're gonna, this is gonna come together really, really quick. Get that one. And that one. And now this one. Okay. So we're going to trim this down. And this is how we use up our scraps and pieces. Okay. Why does that not want work out, right? You would think that would match up, but it's not going to. So we're just going to deal with it. Oh, well, that was fun. And we are going to let that dry. We're going to throw that one away. We're going to come in with this one. And there's a little lip. I know I said this before on my printer that or my cutter here, that I line stuff up with to get an even cut all the way around the side. Sometimes I use my scissors, but here lately, been really just so that's going to be the same thing. Which is fine. We can use both pieces to get that in there. gonna do this. Grab our big scissors. Just cut that off there. So that one, I did take the time to match it up. And hopefully you'll be able to do this. Now you will be able to see the seam. If that bothers you, I would not recommend this method, but I'm okay with that. I'm definitely okay with it. So this one's going to be a lot easier because all we're going to do is come in and just line that up. And that one's done. This one we're going to come back in. We're just going to cut and cut. This is the one that you're definitely going to be able to see, but that's okay. Okay. So now we have all of those on there. We're going to put a smile right there. And this is using one of the Bella cut files, like the pre-cut ones. So if you don't have a cutting machine, you can order these from Bella Boulevard. They have fabulous ones. I have a cutting machine, so I usually just, you know, print my own. Pop that right there. Now this is of my stepdaughter's graduation. I'm gonna get this one put right in the middle. I'm going to run the photos off the page. Just a smidge. On either side. Because I'm always looking for a little bit of contrast, right? All right, so we have that. And now we're going to take all of our little stars here, which I fussy cut from a sheet of paper. And we are just going to scatter all throughout. Always use the big ones up first. Just getting them plopped down, no specific rhyme or reason. I'm just gonna fill this up. Keep going. So we have Oops, wrong way. I'm going to go a little bit different. Just filling in the little voids, right? My bracelet is really starting to annoy me. Okay. And then we're going to take a few of these. Well, they all say happy birthday, which is fine, because what we're going to do is we're going to pop them in. And we're going to take that little piece off. Okay. And then you can just come in real quick and you can pull off that little sticker. So now it no longer says happy birthday because it's obviously not her birthday. And that's it. That's the layout, you guys. Easy peasy. That's how easy when you do like little collections or kits or classes from someone. So that's gonna do it. I'm gonna go ahead and push this over. I'm gonna make sure that I get everything kind of squished down. And then come in and just trim off the little bitty pieces of the stars that are overhanging. And that's gonna do it. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me while I go through my stash, get things created and used up, and just stuff that has clearly been sitting around for over a year now that I just apparently never finished. So that is gonna do it. I appreciate you hanging out with me, and I will see you later with another layout. Bye.